Hello and welcome to a brand new TA video on the YouTube channel of the Crypto in 5. We bring you short but very powerful TA videos every day when we dive into the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. So without further ado, it's crypto time. Let's start on the Bitcoin versus US dollar 1-day chart. So as you can see, I will zoom in a little bit. As you can see, we were actually acting in a sort of descending channel. We topped off over here on the 42.5K mark, and then we saw a correction during 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then we saw coming back up to the top of this channel. So that's where we were drawing it. But as we are speaking, actually, Bitcoin broke out of this channel and broke out of this very important resistance where you can see this previous high over here. Second, over here, it was, big resistance. As you can see, we had it as resistance here. We dropped down today, but we came up and we came above it, and we are actually ready to retest this major resistance over here. Yeah, this box, I think we will still have to talk about it for quite some days, even weeks, because this is high resistance. So therefore, I would suggest if you put in a trade, be very careful, because right now we are running into this huge resistance. We got over here a big rejection. Last time we rolled over back into the Fibonacci 0.382 level which we like to see. We bounced off beautifully, and now we are going back for a retest, but chances are pretty likely that over here we will just make a double top and then we will roll over again. That would be my scenario. Of course, Bitcoin can surprise us and break through. So we are now seeing what Bitcoin will do on this box. Will it be a resistance and will we fall over again? Or will we now break through and then make it count as a support, and then, then we're off. So this box is simply made out of this high over here, or this high over here. So that's why if we break this point, then you see that over here it's thin air. We have been chopping around in this level for a very long time, but if we break that, then it's basically thin air. So that's it for Bitcoin on the daily, but let's go quickly on the weekly because I want to show something very interesting. As you can see here, we are printing 1, 2, 3 green candles. So if nothing major happens, we will print a green candle and we will start a new week. Now, 3 green candles in a row is quite a nice performance, but it's not something crazy. But actually 4 green candles in a row, that's where the real stuff starts. As you can see over here in February, we had 4 green candles in a row, and you know what happened afterwards. I mean, we topped in the all-time high for Bitcoin. So next week can be very interesting. If we now close the candle green, so that means we have to close it above 39.7 approximately. If we close above that level on Sunday, then that means next week can get very interesting. Now for Ethereum, Ethereum also has the box of resistance, a little bit the same as Bitcoin. And as you can see, we run into it beautifully at the 2,850 approximately level is where the box of resistance begins, and we got rejected. This is also major resistance. This all the way up to 3,000. If we can flip this level, and then as I showed before with the Bitcoin, we go up here, we test it as support, then it's over here where you make this confirmation that you want to put in a long trade. Right now, I would also suggest stay away from a long trade because we run into this resistance. So yeah, I would just see what the market does. Relax, don't get FOMO. I think, in my perspective, it will be likely that we will run over one more time because we roll up so fast. But that was it for today. Hope you liked it. See you later.